everybody, welcome back to my beginner lash extension technique series. Today we're going to talk about pinching. Pinching is one of those methods that can be a little bit intimidating, but stay with me. I'm going to walk you through step by step. The reason why I love pinching so much is because you get those perfect little stiletto bases. The only products that you need today is a volume tray of lashes, your boot tweezers, and then of course, your little pinchers. Products are linked in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. My favorite lash tray to practice with is the C multi-tray. I like it because you can try different lengths all throughout your practice. Once you get better, you can move down to shorter lengths. A great one to start with is 11 through 13. You want to place your bundle between your thumb and your index finger, and you want to do a rolling pulse movement. This is sharpening the base of your fan to give it that perfect stiletto point. Then with your tweezers at the top, you want to make sure that you're pulsing the top of the fan to open it up to a pretty waterfall. This is going to give you perfect fan point base. Let's break down what these micro movements are. First, we're going to look at it on a strip so that you can see exactly what your tweezers are doing. Lightly pulse your tweezers open and close on your bundle. All right, you guys, you are well on your way to becoming a pincher. If you guys want to know more about this technique or our other techniques, also one-on-one mentoring, you can check out our online campus below. Follow us on Instagram, borboleta.artist. We post inspo, blueprints, tips and tricks, and more. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, and we'll see you guys next time.